Good day, everyone. Welcome again to Podcast Let's Chat with Petalver, the program where we dive into honest conversation about life, also struggles and success. Today, we have an incredible guest joining our podcast Let's Chat with Casey Laure, who has an inspiring story to share. We will be talking about career paths, childhood experience, and of course, passions in life. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Can you tell us, Casey Laure, what was your childhood like?
My childhood experience is happy with sun. My childhood experience with my family, we are going to church. Every time my birthday, I even ask my parents where we're going or what the food is. As for my friends, every time I wake up, I go straight outside when I see someone playing outside in our house. I'm immediately joining them even though I haven't eaten yet.
How do you describe yourself 10 years from now?
I see myself 10 years from now, I will become a teacher. Because since I was a child, I have dreamed teaching other people.
So you want to be a teacher.
Yes.
So, let's proceed. What is your interest?
I'm interested learning more about the game of badminton because of my friends. And I am fascinated by playing it and enjoy it.
Okay. Now, as a student, what's your plan in life?
As a student, I want to finish my studies and repay my parents for the sacrifice, for the everything sacrifice they made and everything they did for us.
Do you have loved ones or love life?
Yes, I have. I see him in school in other section. I like him personality. I like his personality and his skills. Minsan nga kapag may free time kami, naglalaro kami na mga online games sa cellphone. Naglalaro kami hanggang sa hapon hanggang gabi. Di na gabi, madaling araw na. Kaya, yun, lagi kaming haggard, kuya.
Oh, I wanna see him too. How do you develop your feelings on him?
When I saw him in cafeteria, what I really like the most, when we both love cats.
Oh, I love cats too.
What the dog doing?
I even, every time my birthday, I'll even ask my parents where we're going or what the food is. As for my friends, every time.
Bye-bye! Bye! Thank you for watching our podcast live chapter. I am Petalver and
I am Casey Laure.
this is the story of Casey Laure. Bye-bye!